just left Sam's and we're in Burlington, and I'm trying to vlog for you guys, but the baby is on my sciatic nerve and my leg hurts so bad. My right leg, it's just numb. I can barely feel it. I can barely walk. But I'm trying to vlog today for you guys, and it's just, oh, it's not going well. But we're in Burlington to look for the kids some shoes. Yeah. And I wanted to check out their organizers. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. It's my first Thanksgiving because the baby will be here before Thanksgiving. That is so cute. I love it. It's a little matching hat. And on top of the fact that the baby's on my sciatic nerve, I'm starting to have some Braxton Hicks contractions, so I don't think we're gonna be in here too long because your girl is in pain. But I'm gonna get up and try to walk around. Okay guys, so vlogging in Burlington was a complete fail. I just was not feeling good, and with the baby being on my nerve, I couldn't walk.
And only 7 bathroom stops.
My leg hurts. I want to film a grocery haul to go along with this video, but honestly guys, I don't even know how I'm feeling to put the groceries up. I wanted to start meal prepping today. That's not gonna happen either. I'm just so tired. Hubby's bringing in the groceries now, so if I decide to do the grocery haul, I'll be back. So while I'm sitting here on the couch, I've decided I could show you what I got from Burlington real quick. It isn't the best, but I don't feel like getting up to fix it. But we got a new grooming kit. Got some tummy butter for stretch marks. I picked some shirts for the baby, some little side snap shirts. I can't show you guys though because they're not gender neutral. Well, they can be well, no, they're not gender neutral, and I don't want to give the sex of the baby away. I mean, I guess they can be gender neutral, but I feel like if I just showed you guys off the bat know what it is, and I don't want to tell you guys just yet. So that's all I got from Burlington. I think we only spent like $30. I'm so tired. I know I look a mess, you guys. You guys can tell me. I filmed 2 videos today. I've been up since 6 and I filmed 2 videos today. 3 if you include this grocery haul. So hopefully I can get this grocery haul done for you guys. And I hope to feel better tomorrow so I can start meal prepping. I wanted to meal prep around 36 37 weeks. But it's getting harder for me to stand on my feet and cook. It's really becoming a chore. So I decided to go ahead and start my meal prepping earlier. At least the big stuff that I'm meal prepping, I decided to do earlier. A lot of my crock pot meals that are like dump and go, I can do those later because I'm not actually cooking those. But the meals that, like my lasagna and my enchiladas, like I actually have to cook the meat and stand on my feet and assemble everything. So I'm gonna have hubby or either my toots help me out with that. I think my toots and I can do that just because like it'll be like more of a mother-daughter bonding. I don't know, I'm gonna have someone help me do those, but with those I will definitely be wanting I'll definitely be wanting to get those out the way now. Everything else can kind of wait. So I think my toots home. She just getting off the bus. I missed her. It's been a long day. Alright guys, my battery has like 14% left. Or rather, I have 14 minutes left on my battery, so I'm gonna go just in case I decide to vlog the food haul. Hey guys, I'm back. So I did not get to do the grocery haul for you guys. I was just too exhausted. I was tired. And it was just too much going on. So I did not vlog that. I am now laying in my bed, waiting for hubby to come home with dinner. And I'm watching Paige Danielle in her baby watch vlog. So excited for them. And it's always good to watch other YouTubers that are going through what you're going through. And as I'm watching her, I literally start having contractions. And I'm just like, oh my god. I think they're just Braxton Hicks though. So but they still hurt so bad. So I'm hoping that hubby comes home soon so we could all just eat and go to bed. But I wanted to also just go ahead and close out the vlog because I completely I can't. I'm over today. Just not feeling good. And I think a lot of that has to do with I'm dehydrated. So I'm going to try to drink some water. I don't think I've been drinking enough lately. So I'm going to try to drink some water and get myself all hydrated back up. And the baby is still on my sciatic nerve. And I'm tired. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for spending the day with me. I will see you guys in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a big thumbs up and also tap that bell. I'm just gonna lay here and wait for food. On the grass.